Good morning, everyone. All right, let's try something new to get going. You ready? Slow clap. There we go. That's a good way to start. All right, starting off, we've got a couple months worth of Tech Center Students of the Month. So, in December, Addie Duplessis got named Automotive Student of the Month. Liam Scandori in Culinary. Kaylin Bollier in Early Childhood. And Nick McCann in Precision Machining. And in January, Clean Sweep and Construction. Seth Bard and Sierra Sharp. In Criminal Justice, Ash O'Hara. In EMT, Izzy Jaguar. And in Mass Media, Raneen Ali. Awesome work. Thank you for spreading the word that Winslow High School students are the best no matter where they go. Great job. Alrighty, Student of the Month, freshmen. Let's hear it all for the freshmen teachers. Everybody cheer them on.
All right, February Freshman of the Month. Yes, I got it. The Freshman Student of the Month has consistently demonstrated exceptional qualities both in and outside the classroom, making him a standout member of our school community. He is a dedicated and hardworking student who approaches every task with a strong attention to detail. He consistently delivers high-quality work and goes through the extra mile to ensure that his assignments are thorough and well executed. Beyond his academic achievements, he is known for his friendly and respectful demeanor. He interacts with both peers and staff in a thoughtful and positive way. He arrives at class consistently prepared with all materials and assignments ready for the day. Outside of the classroom, he stays engaged in sports, further showcasing his well-rounded nature. His involvement in extracurricular activities demonstrates his time management skills and his commitment to balancing academic responsibilities with personal interests. In every sense, he embodies the qualities of a role model. He is hardworking, responsible, respectful, while also showing an impressive balance between academics and extracurricular activities. We are proud to recognize Frank Farnham as our Freshman Student of the Month and look forward to seeing his continued success. So this isn't a competition about who can cheer for their teachers the loudest, because
all teachers teach everybody, right? So when we announce the sophomore teachers, everybody can cheer them on. All right, sophomore teachers. I am skipping the juniors.
Of the month is a shining example of what it means to embody positivity and ambition. Her unwavering determination, sharp intellect, and natural leadership makes her a standout among her peers. In the classroom, she approaches every challenge with confidence and enthusiasm, demonstrating a remarkable ability to tackle obstacles with grace and tenacity. She is always ready to lend a helping hand, inspiring her fellow students with her generosity and collaborative spirit. Beyond academics, this student's friendly demeanor and cheerful presence light up the hallways of Winslow High School. Her infectious positivity uplifts everyone around her, making our school community a brighter, more welcoming place. You truly embody the qualities of a leader, a friend, and an inspiration to all. Congratulations, Davini Kimball, for being named sophomore student.
All right, let's hear it for the junior teacher.
Hi, how are you? Okay, the February Junior Student of the Month. When asked to provide reasons for choosing this junior to be one of the February Students of the Month, a significant number of teachers replied. Here are some of the many highlights. Quote, she is always on task. She finishes all her work with diligence and care, and she is always ready for new challenges. Quote, outside of school, she is a terrific mentor to the younger dancers at her dance school. Quote, this student is an energetic young person who has a strong work ethic and is always willing to help others. Quote, she is a gracious and kind member of the Raider community. Her academic work shows diligence and conscientiousness, and she is a regular classroom contributor. Based on these observations and plenty of others, Lillian Stafford is the junior class student of the month.
And now let's hear it for the senior teachers.
The vision of the graduate for a Winslow Black Raider is a student who is a responsible citizen, accomplished thinker, and effective collaborator. Our February Senior Student of the Month has these three aspects in spades. The Student of the Month works tirelessly as an officer of the senior class, helping to get the word out about fundraising, encouraging their peers to get involved with anything related to senior class logistics, and being a positive steward for anything seniors. The student is involved in many extracurricular activities, including 3 sports and 2 academic clubs. As an accomplished thinker, this student excels in the classes they take. All the work they complete is done so humbly to the best of their abilities. In speaking with the student's teachers, the words perseverance and rock star were used to describe their academic abilities. Finally, as an effective collaborator, the work done for the senior class by the student shows their ability to rally the troops and get some good work done. The senior class has been in good hands with our Student of the Month, Max Spicer.
Congratulations again to our 4 Students of the Month. Just a reminder to you 4, make sure you come down for pictures before you leave when I dismiss you. Folks, gratitude goes a long way. Recognizing somebody when they've done something really good, something for you, really can go a long way. It can start to spread. So my challenge for you this month is to say thank you. Thank you to somebody. And I want to start by calling down our cheerleaders. Cheerleaders, can I steal you? I'm not going to make you do a cheer like I did last time when I called you out. Just come on down, cheerleaders. Come on down. I wanted to give all of them a high five, and then I realized there's 30 of them. Brooklyn! All right, so again, I'm not going to call you down and make you do a cheer like I did last time, but I wanted to say thank you. Because you guys did an excellent thing last Thursday by hosting your own cheering competition. And you know, my daughter did cheering growing up, so I know how crazy those days can go, and to plan it and everything, thank you. But more importantly, the message why you did it. To bring awareness to suicide, and to come up with a little funds to offer help to people. So, thank you. Every morning I've been saying something. Take care of yourselves, and take care of each other. Because I truly want you guys to take care of each other, because you need to take care of each other. So, thank you. Great job. And with that being said, you can head back to homeroom. Students of the Month, come get your picture taken and have a great day.